Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. In today's quick tip, I'm going to let you know that the cylinder head on these cars do not have a valve cover. They actually have a cam cover. That's right, the cam cover goes on top of the cylinder head. It is part of the cylinder head, and you really can't replace that cam cover. Some critical information I need to share with you, and that is that this head consists of the cylinder head down there and this cam cover up top. I've painted mine black. These are a matched pair. You can't go get a different cam cover for the head, and you can't go get a different head for this cam cover because they are machined together, and the cams and the journals won't line up. They'll bind up and destroy the head. So keep these things together. If you damage the head or the cam cover, just go get another head and cam cover to do a head replacement, because the chances of another cam cover matching that head and working for you is probably 1 out of 10%. If for some reason you have more headsets laying around your work area and you don't know which cam cover goes with which lower part of the cylinder head, Volvo has saved you from yourself. If you look on this area of the cam cover, this is the driver's side, you will notice a serial number stamped into the aluminum. After Volvo built the cylinder head, had the cams installed, after all the machining was done, Volvo decided to help you identify how to keep this machined head as a matched pair. So they came on the back side of the cylinder head, and they stamped the number in the cam cover, as you can see here. Then they stamped the same number in the main part of the cylinder head right below the cam cover, so that you can identify that these two parts, the cam cover and the head, are a matching pair. As you can see here, you have 2249 on the cam cover and you have 2249 on the head. The numbers are one right above the other. So if you have a head and a cam cover and the numbers don't match, and you want to proceed in putting that head together, you have about a 10% chance that that's going to work. Now, it's very simple to figure it out. You go ahead and you put the cams in, and you go ahead and you bolt everything together. Of course, you're supposed to use assembly lube, and you're also supposed to put your timing parts on there. After you get everything put together and the timing parts are all put together, you're supposed to roll the crank over with the belt and everything on 2 full revolutions. After you get your 2 full revolutions, you double check your timing. Now, if you try to rotate this, your 2 revolutions, and you can't turn it, that's telling you that the cams are binding up in the cam cover and head. Why would you proceed after that to try to start the car? I don't know. I don't even know why, if you're rebuilding your cylinder head, something in your mind tells you to travel the earth to find a different cover, unless you've damaged the cover, and then bring it back to this head you have and try to mount it on there. Again, if those numbers on the end don't match, they were not machined together, and you have a 1 in 10 chance that that cover is going to mount on that head and allow you to start, run, and drive that car. Most of the times, 9 out of 10 times, the cams are going to bind up. You're not going to be able to roll the engine over a couple times by hand. And when you try to start the car, that cam is going to bind up in that head so bad that it's going to grab aluminum, it's going to bind, it might even bend the valves and everything else. So if you don't have a matching pair, just go find a matching pair versus try to make and take your chance of a unmatched pair working for you. I hope that helps. Have a great day. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.